back to the stage current reigning Miss Pacific Islands 2018 for a special performance. We would like to invite Miss Matauaina Toomalatai, who has lived in Hawaii and is multi-talented in all of the dances of Polynesia. So this evening, she'll be favoring us with a Hawaiian hula in honor of the place she calls home away from American Samoa. Please give her a warm welcome once again to the stage. Entered the pageant as Miss American Samoa. For the last year, she has represented the Pacific's finest. Masani, ladies and gentlemen, this is the standard that was set. Matauaina Toomalatai, current reigning Miss Pacific Islands 2018.